Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Xtensio. So Xtensio is a tool that lets you create business documents, presentations as well as web pages. And the best part is all of these documents, presentations or whatever you create, they are going to be interactive, which means you can directly work with your clients or your teammates on this platform. And in order to work with Xtensio, you do not need any design skills because it has a very good drag and drop editor. So you can add various components, you can add various materials to your design super easily by just dragging and dropping whatever you want. And other than that, there are also some templates and all of the templates are categorized into various categories. So you can choose any template in order to make your design super easily and super fast. Xtensio is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $100, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $39. And keep in mind this price is going to increase in 6 days. So if you want to buy Xtensio on this price, make sure you check the link in the description below. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. And here are all the features. So you have access to all the templates. There are over 200 templates, stock images and icons on Xtensio. There is going to be no watermark or ad. There is no upload size limit in terms of uploading your media files such as images or any other files. You can also share your files, share the designs, share the files that you create on Xtensio using PDF format, PNG, link, embed or presentation. And you also have access to all the core integrations. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So the tier 1 is going to cost $39. Here you have 10 folios or projects. And you also have one seat, one workspace, and then you can also upload brand assets such as images. You have 250 megabyte of storage and 30 days of revision history. There is also tier 2. Here you get some additional features such as in terms of brand assets, you can upload color, fonts, templates. You are not only limited to images, you also have 1 gigabyte of storage, 90 days of revision history, one guest account, and you can also customize the color and fonts. But if you want to create unlimited projects, you have to opt for the tier 3. Here you can create unlimited folios or projects. You also have 3 seats, unlimited workspaces. You can upload various brand assets. You have 4 gigabyte of storage. And here you also get some additional features such as you can customize the links. You can also add password. You can add custom subdomain. You can connect up to 5 domains. You can create, share, publish custom templates. You have engagement analytics, and you can also share a batch of folios with one link. And then there is also tier 4. So this is the highest tier, and only on this tier you are going to get the white labeling feature with your own logo. So before I show you how Xtensio is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. So here's the roadmap of Xtensio. On the left side, you can see all the features that are in the backlog. So here are all the features, and then you can also see all the planned features. And then there are 2 features that are currently in development. So they are going to be available soon. And then there are also 4 different features that are launched recently. So now let me show you how this tool is going to work. So after you log into Xtensio, you are going to get a dashboard just like this one. This is a super user-friendly dashboard. And on the left side, you can manage all of your workspaces. So I only have one workspace. I can also share the link of this space. Just click on this. And now if I enable this particular option, I can share the link. I can add various people to my workspaces using the link. And then there are also some other options such as I can rename the workspace. And I can also create another from here. And then there is also this trash. So if you delete something, it is going to be stored on this particular folder. And in case you want to add your team members, you have to click on this invite team members. So now you can add multiple team members at once. So if you even need more, just click on this. Now you can copy paste the emails of all of your team members, and this way you can add all of them at once. And as I said earlier, you do not need any design skills because there are so many different templates already on Xtensio. So let me show you all the templates. I'm going to go here. So here is the huge library of templates. There are overall 200 plus templates on Xtensio. And the best part is the templates are divided into various categories. So as you can see, currently I am on this Xtensio templates. So these are all the different categories. And if you create any template and save that, they are going to appear on this My Team template. And in terms of categories, you have marketing templates. So these are all the templates that are for marketing. And the best part is you can even see how many times they are being used. So as you can see, this SWOT analysis, it has been used over 1,000 times. So you know this is a good template and you can probably use it. And then there are also templates for sales. So these are all the sales templates. Then you have business development templates, strategy. So these are all the different templates that you are going to get access to on Xtensio. But if you do not want a template, for example, you just want to start from scratch, start from a blank page, and you want to get access to the drag and drop editor. So for that, let me show you what you have to do. I'm just going to go to the home page. So before I get to that, there are also two other options that I forgot to show you. So there is this image library. So here you can upload various images and you can see the maximum file size as well as your storage on here. So you can upload images in order to use them on your designs later. And other than uploading, you can also search among the stock images from here. And there's also the style guide. So here you can change various settings about your brand as well as fonts. All of these different customization options are available on this particular section. So now let me show you how to create a folio or a project from scratch, a blank page. So for that, just click on this create new. And now you have to provide the name. I'm just going to keep it. And then you have to select the workspace. So exactly on what workspace you're going to create your folio. So I'm just going to click on this. And as you can see, the drag and drop editor has been opened. So now you have all the options. You can add various sections, you can add various materials or components or elements on here in order to make your design. And it is going to be started from here, but you can obviously move it wherever you want. You can also add various other things. In order to add, just click on this plus icon. You can add modules or you can also add sections. So for modules, let me show you all the options. So you can add text, image, video, table, task list, button, embed, HTML. So all of these modules are available for you to add on your designs. And then other than that, you can also add sections. So you can either click on here or you can also click on add new section. And it is going to be added. Now you can also add various modules on here. But other than that, you can also add various elements directly from here, such as text or image or video or table, whatever you want. So let me add a table. Okay, as you can see, one table has been added. Now you can obviously drag and drop it wherever you want. And if you click on this particular table, on top, you will see some options that you can use in order to modify your table. So if you click on this plus icon, you can add a row to this table. You can add a text column, check mark column, rating column, label column, and then you can also add various colors, customize the colors. You can customize the background. So for background, you can even upload images, and then you can also adjust the ordering. You can delete this module if you do not like it, and then you can also hide the border, duplicate this module, copy this module. So these are basically all the options that you get once you add a module. And if you click on this particular module, you will have all the customizable options that you can use in order to customize that. And on this left side, you can change some settings about this particular section. So there is two sections currently. One is on top and then you can see another at the bottom. So if you click on a particular section, for example, I want to edit this top section. Now I can edit different settings about this section. If I click on this left side, so I can change the main color, this section's main color. So it is set to this one. Let me change it to this one. As you can see, it has now been changed. You can also change the section background. So you can upload a photo. You can also search for free photos among all the stock images. You can also add various colors to your section. And then you can also change the order. So if you want to move this section up or down top, you can also do that. And then there are also some other sections or other options, such as you can show the container. So here's the container. I'm just going to hide it. And then you can also duplicate it, copy, move, export, or delete this section. So these are basically all the options that you get when you add a module, and these are all the settings that you are going to get on the left side in order to adjust your section. Now about the right side, on the right top side, there are also some options. So as you can see, it has been saved. The changes have been saved. You can see the particular date and time. So this is really good. You do not have to save things manually. You can just edit this however you want and it is going to automatically save. And then you can also open the image library. So for example, you want to add an image and you have that image on the library, so you can directly access that from here. You can also change the folio main color. You can see the engagement analytics, which means how many people are viewing this, how many people are leaving comment or things like that. And then you can also change various folio settings. So these are all the settings that you are going to get. And then if you click on these three dots, there are also some other options, such as you can see the history of the revision, which means all the changes that are saved. You can duplicate this. You can move to another workspace. You can transfer this, see the analytics, save this as template, or delete this folio or project. And even more on top, you can also add various people. So as I said earlier, Xtensio lets you collaborate with your team or even your clients. So you can directly edit or modify all the designs from here with your clients or your teammates watching. So just make sure you click on this add people. So now you can add certain people to this particular folio or project. And then you can also share it. Share this in multiple ways, such as you can share the link, or you can also embed this. You can share it on social media. So you have multiple sharing options, and then you can also present this as a slideshow. So as you can see now, I am presenting this particular folio or project as a slideshow, just like a presentation. And you can also download this particular design as a PDF or PNG file according to how you prefer. So this is basically how you can super easily make your edits, create your designs, and at the same time you can collaborate with your team members or your clients so that they can also see what type of design you are making. They can leave a comment, or they can also adjust the design how they like. So currently I'm back to the dashboard of Xtensio, and there are also some other features on here, such as this notification. So here you can see some notifications such as this particular project has been added to this workspace. So this is how you're going to get some notifications. For example, if you add a team member and that particular team member makes any changes to your designs, you can see that on this notification panel. And as I said earlier, you can add new folios or new projects from here. You can invite your team members, and if you click on this particular icon, you can manage your team members, connect all your domains, change the fonts or different settings about your brand. You can change the team settings, and you can also change various settings about your own account from here. So overall, I think Xtensio is an excellent tool that lets you create interactive business documents, presentations, web pages, or any other designs. And the best part is you do not need any designing skills. All you have to do is drag and drop certain components or elements or modules. You can also adjust all the sections. And once you have your design, you can share that super easily with link. You can even embed that design on your website. You can also add your team members or clients in order to make them see the designs that you have made. So if you want to buy Xtensio on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And keep in mind, the price is going to increase after 6 days. And here are all the features that you're going to get with the lifetime deal of Xtensio. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also this tier 3.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.